How to use Spotify Canvas feature in 2026. Well, hello everybody, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, let me guide you through the steps on how you can use Spotify Canvas feature in 2026. Well, a canvas is moving background for your song. It is like a short GIF or movie. It needs to be the right shape so it fits a phone screen perfectly. So remember, the length is 3 to 8 seconds. The ratio must be 9:16, that is vertical, and size must be minimum 720 into 1280 pixels, and format must be MP4. Now you'll have to log into your Spotify for Artists. So if you have the application, you can log in on the application. If not, you can head into your web, and what you want to do is you want to head into Spotify for Artists. So search in this way and head over to Spotify for Artists, and then make sure you log in with your artist account. Now once you log into the artist account, you want to go to your music tab and click on the song you want to update. Then click add canvas and upload your short MP4 file. You can do it similarly through the app as well. Open up, tap music, then proceed to head over and select your track and tap canvas to upload your video. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and also do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues.